Hello world, I am Gigarius, and today we are going to talk about Drall, one command to drush them all. But before we start, I would like to thank Symetris for sponsoring the initial development of Drall. Also, to make things clear, we are not going to talk about the Drall from Star Wars. In this video, we talk about the Drupal Drall. So let's get started. So what is Drall? Drall is a command line tool that lets us run commands on all or multiple sites in a multi-site Drupal installation. Hence the slogan, one command to drush them all. Like many other PHP packages, Drall can easily be installed with Composer. Now this is where the fun starts. Drall allows you to run the same drush command on all or multiple sites in your multi-site Drupal installation. All you have to do is run drall exec drush followed by the drush command. If you have configured one or more drush aliases for your site, then you can use them with Drall like this. Now you don't only want to run a single drush command across all your sites. Sometimes you want to run multiple drush commands or shell commands on all your sites. With the drall exec shell command, you are able to do exactly that. The drall site directories command allows you to see a list of all the subdirectories that are present inside the sites directory for Drupal. You can then use this list inside a script to iterate over each directory and do something special with it. Similar to the site directories command, the drall site aliases command shows you a list of all the site aliases that you have defined for Drush. You can then use these site aliases inside of a custom script to iterate over them and do something special with them. That brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you liked Drall. You can read more about Drall on GitHub. I am Gigarius, and this is where I bid you farewell.